Hi, I'm Wendy.
And I'm Mike.
Welcome to our epic
Food journey.
We're going to cook for you today.
Southern baked chicken, some macaroni and cheese, and some chocolate pudding. We'll start with the chocolate pudding first, that way so we can put it in the refrigerator to get cold. So first what you do is you combine this pouch with 2 cups of milk. We prefer almond milk, but you can use any kind of milk that you want. And you pour this in here and whisk it up.
We should talk about our cups.
Talk about our food prep bowls while we do this, Wendy.
They have silicone lids that don't crack when you put them on. They have measuring marks, quarter, half, and 3/4. That's 3/4 though.
3/4. Is that like
3/4.
6 in one, half a dozen in another?
It is.
All right, now that we've got this all
The
mixed
set
up
comes
here.
with 4, which is perfect for this chocolate pudding. Right?
Yes, because it's 2 cups and therefore half.
You stir
half,
it for
half,
2
half.
minutes.
Have we done it for 2 minutes?
No. About 1 more minute, and then you're going to put it in all these cups, and then you're going to put it in the fridge for at least 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Let's double check. I'm right, like usual. 10 minutes.
Hey, I'm just a hired hand around here. Is that 2 minutes,
I
my
think
love?
so.
Okay.
I think it is.
So we'll start pouring this up. Making a mess as I
There's a
usually
spatula.
do.
We're making this first so we can get it in the fridge so it'll set.
That
So-
one's going to be mine.
The most?
Yes.
So Epicure has all good ingredients. So no preservatives, no artificial colorings, non-GMO. They do have sugar cane, but very low sugar.
All right. And while she puts those into the ice box, now we're going to start with the Southern baked chicken. Basically, it is like the old shake and bake stuff that you put.
But much healthier, much healthier. Very low sodium, good for cardiac patients.
So we've already prepped our chicken. The only thing we need to do is we need to pour the bag into our resealable baggie. And then also you need to coat each chicken piece with oil. So I'll just put a little oil on these. Wrap those up. There you go. Ooh, that looks really good.
Smells really good. You can see these meals are really, really simple to make. The instructions are simple. All the packages have the instructions on the back. So it's really a no-brainer.
Which is good for me because I have no brains.
Now this goes into the oven at 375, and if you're doing chicken, it's 15 to 25 minutes. So you just check it after 15 and make sure it's all done. Let me get that now. Yeah.
set 15?
Yes, for now, and then we'll check it.
Alexa, set a timer for 15 minutes.
Starting now.
Okay, now we're going to talk about the macaroni and cheese. Now, we already did our noodles, but let me show you the noodles that we use for the macaroni and cheese. These are called Impostables, and basically these are low-carb noodles. These are the ones that we prefer. You can use any noodles that you want. We order these from Thin Slim Foods, and they only have 8 grams of net carbs in it, so this is why we use these. Ooh, still nice and warm. So the first thing you want to do is you want to add the 2 tablespoons of butter. And we
And
already,
this is optional.
but you know, who doesn't
Since we're
like butter?
using low carb noodles, we're going to use butter.
Okay, and then now we stir in the
3rd cup.
3rd cup of milk. And cheese sauce. Thank you, my lovely assistant.
Oh.
And it smells good.
Looks good. And I saw that you can make Alfredo with this. You can put this, you can make all kinds of recipes with this. And we'll be doing that for you and posting some more videos soon. We just got our package today, so we are going to be cooking all weekend.
Maybe we should have used a bigger bowl.
Maybe next time. So all of these packages are low or no sodium. So sometimes you'll find that it may be a little bland for you, but that's by design because these are supposed to be heart healthy. So you may need to add a little bit of salt if you don't have any cardiac diseases or disease processes going on. So don't think that it's your what? Your what?
Package.
No, your taste buds? Palate.
Your palate.
Palate. It's not. It's supposed to be this way. Because you can always add, you can't take away. Yummy.
There we go.
Keep it warm.
And now all we have to do is wait for the chicken to finish baking. And then after that's done, then we'll show you how that looks. Okay, and we're back. And actually the chicken took about 21 minutes for it to cook. The pudding set up really nicely. And the chicken looks amazing. We haven't tried the chicken yet, but I'll let you know. We have tried the mac and cheese. We used too many noodles this time, but we'll know for next time not to use so many noodles. We'll read the package closer. But other than that, we thank y'all for joining us, and we will see y'all next time.